Alright guys, let's get into this. This is how the new Ryobi 54-inch mower comes on this crate. You gotta take off these bolts in order to get off the these cross brackets here in order to drive it off. I was pointing out here where the bolts are that take off. There was zip ties right there and zip ties on the front. All the boxes that hold all your parts, your lap bars and tow hitch, seat, all that stuff was strapped down in the crate. Charger, tow hitch, keys, tools, instructions, all in this box here. There's your lap bars. It's all the plastic and cardboard that comes off of it. You put your seat on here. It's just held in by 2 bolts there and there. Walking around to the back of it, when you lift the seat up, you'll have to plug in this here. That's that way when you get off of the seat, it'll beep when it's turned on. It's a safety feature. Just connect those 2 ends there, and then you'll also have to open up this battery compartment. Inside here, you will connect the batteries. It just pops off by these 4 clips, and I had already had it connected before I started the video, but just connect those 2 right there. Very simple. Throw that cover back on, you're good to go. The seat was very nice. I like the seat. It's got the logo on the back. The lap bars, there's 2 bolts that hold on to each one of them. They are a little bit, you can adjust them a little bit forward and back to your comfort with how you're sitting there. Throw on your toe plate here, your hitch plate, just those 2 bolts there. All the way up. Very easy maneuver. One thing that I did like about this that I know some other ones don't have is like when you push the lap bars forward, they'll stay where